Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello, my name is Dr. Jimmy Upadhyay. I am working as an intern doctor in SSG Hospital, Vadodara. I finished my undergraduation from 12th State Medical University, Russia. I want to thank Unacademy team because they helped me to clear even my FMG exams. I only could clear only because of Unacademy team. But today, what specially I want to thank them because they sent me such wonderful notes which I can show you here. I am simply amazed by the quality of the notes. As you can see, like everything, it's colorful. All notes are color coded. You can see all pictures, they are very high quality, and all notes are so systematic. Like everything is given lecture wise, everything is given chapter wise also. In every chapter there is different topics. You can see there are tables. For example, this image qualities, you can see, I can see each and every details. All image based questions can be solved by this exam or by this notes. I mean, everything what you want can be found here, and you can see they have given so much extra space that you can even write your own notes wherever it's possible. You want, you can just write. So while watching video lectures, you can add all the points which you need, and it's perfect. I mean, I am simply amazed because see, quality of images, my goodness, I'm really, like, I don't have words for it. Everything is perfect. These notes along with video lectures, it's a winning combination for sure, and I'm now 100% confident that I'll be able to achieve my exams and my goals along with these notes and the video lectures. It's I cannot thank Unacademy team enough for this wonderful notes. I'm 100% sure that nothing can stop me now actually. Thank you very much.